How to accept an offer on Poshmark. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can accept an offer on Poshmark. Now the process is quite simple. What you want to do is here you want to head into Poshmark.com on your browser. Now on your device you want to simply open up your browser and then you want to log into Poshmark.com. Now in my case you can see I'm on Poshmark.com and here I'm already logged into my account. Now once you're logged in, if you are a seller, if you added your product there and someone has made an offer, you want to simply tap on the profile icon at the top right here. You can see my profile icon there. You know, tap on it and you can see the fourth option there, my offers. If you tap on it, you'll be able to open up your offer here. You'll be able to view your offers here and you can accept it from here. Now if you are a buyer and if you made the offer and if the seller has accepted the offer, then you are on your way to getting the item. So this way you can easily accept an offer on Poshmark whether you are a seller or a buyer. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.